Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom Wester channel. So as promised, every Thursday I will share some of my trade positions, some of the positions that I've entered. So today I'm going to share another 4 positions that I have entered. Of course, not over the past 1 week because I don't usually enter positions very frequently. So I will share some of my favorite positions that I have entered. So without further ado, let us start. Today is 22nd of October 2020. Let's see what are the positions that I've entered. So the first position that I would like to share with you, before I share my positions, I would like to make a disclaimer. This is not a buy or sell shares recommendation. It's purely a sharing of my positions for this particular Mom Wester channel. So the first one I would like to share with you is Disney. For Disney, I actually entered this position on 26th of September at the price of $124. So for Disney shares, I actually bought physical shares itself, and I intend to hold this position for a very long period of time because I believe that this price is considered still cheap, considering now is actually COVID-19 and Disney actually have the share price have impacted because of the COVID, because of the closure of Disneyland. So I believe after this COVID situation got better, their price can move up very fast. So I intend to hold this for the longest period of time to see whether the price can actually grow. And so this is the chart. So I actually bought here. So I would hold this for the longest period of time. As I can see here, because it has touched the moving average. This is the line that I draw on my own. Since it has touched a particular support, so I decided to enter here. The next one I would like to share is Visa. So for Visa, I have entered Visa position for multiple times, but because there is a sell signal, so I've closed all my position and I re-enter again on the 6th of October at the price of $204. The entry was actually due to a valid setup for daily position trade. So actually on the 20th of October, there is a valid setup to sell. However, it was not being sold because the entry to the sell price does not trigger. So on the 21st October, if the price is below $197, then the sell price will trigger. However, as of today, 22nd of October, the selling price was not being triggered. So I will continue to hold on to this position. Honestly, I haven't even checked what is the closing price of 21st October, but however, it seems like it has not been closed off. So basically, I have entered here. Because of the valid daily position setup, and there is a triggered 2 days ago. So as long as the price went below the previous closing price, then the selling will be triggered. However, it's still not triggered as of 22nd October. Let's see how market goes tonight. And then this is Alibaba, the next one, counter, BABA. Alibaba is one of my favorite counter to place trades. I actually have 3 trades in Ali. However, I have actually closed 1 trade. The reason I closed is because the price has touched $300, so I decided to take in partial profit. So I have closed 1 position in Baba, and the rest I will just let it run. So basically, I have entered 1 entry on the 1st July at $216. second entry on 18 August at $259. Actually, I have one more position that I have already closed, and I already took profit when the price hit $300. That was actually my option. So for my option position, I have actually closed already. The reason to enter was because the price broke out from the 6 months high. That's why I enter on the first entry on 1st July. And for me, this is a midterm trade because their associate Ant Group is going to IPO sometime this year. That's why I decided to hold on until an IPO realized, and then maybe I will consider to close one of the position and then let the rest run until I see a triggered selling price. Okay, so my first entrance was here, second entrance was here. These two position was not because of any daily position or weekly position signal. Basically, I entered here because I see that there is a bounce back. There's a bounce back from the support. This is a support line. Since there is a bounce back, that is the reason why I enter. So sometimes strong stocks like Baba, I don't really enter based on the system setup. I would just use my personal decision. I will make my own personal decision to enter uh, here because of the bounce back. So I will continue to hold these two positions. So another position that I would like to share with you is actually QQQ ETF. So the counter is actually TQQQ. So I have actually entered on 29 September by a vertical call 135170 call. Date of expiry is 21st Jan 2022. So I believe this is a very long-term position. So for this entry, I decided to hold my position for the midterm. So I will need to close my option before expiry date in 2022. However, I still need to make a decision whether I want to close it when I feel that the the price is too high. Most likely I'll just close it and then I'll find another chance to re-enter again when there is a retracement, right? So yeah, why I enter into this position is because I saw that the candles have bounced back from the correction. I have drawn a Fibo line, and this price actually bounced back from the Fibo level of 38.2% and also bounced back from 50 EMA. That's the reason why I entered on 29 September. So I actually buy at the money call vertical. So here is the chart. This is the 50 EMA. So basically it bounced back from here. That is the reason why I enter. Yeah, so that's it. And I hope you enjoy today's sharing. And if you like to know more about what positions that I've entered, what trades that I've placed, you can actually come to my YouTube channel and look out for these trades that I've shared, that I'm going to share every Thursday. So invest safely, and capital protection is very important. Bye bye from Mom Lester Berry. Bye.